Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you're doing well. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and do not miss out on any of the content. So guys, in today's video, we're just going to briefly give you some updates about what's been happening with Bitcoin, some news updates in the market, and what we believe is going to happen in the next 6 to 12 months. So first off, this weekend, Bitcoin crossed the $9,000 mark, which is very significant. We're getting close to that 10K mark. What I believe is going to happen once we hit that 10K mark, there's going to be a mental push from a lot of retail investors to go back into crypto. It's just a level and a price mentally where people believe, okay, this might be a breaking point for me to go back into crypto, for me to put my trust back into cryptocurrencies. Now, obviously, in the last 24 hours, we've also seen $18 billion worth of Bitcoin being traded. Now, that's obviously not just retail traders, that's also coming from the institutional side. And I believe this is a great sign that actually, yes, more people are coming back into crypto, whether that is purely for investing, speculating, or trading. In any case, I am glad that it's coming back in. We do need that inflow of money back into the crypto economy. And of course, right now we have a market cap of $285 billion. Obviously, this is nowhere near where we've been at our peak, which was around $900 billion, $920 billion. So we are close to that 1 trillion cap at one point. Right now, it's still quite a far road. But in any case, it is a sign of more confidence in the market. Consumer sentiment is higher than it was, let's say, a year ago. So a year ago, if we're having this conversation, terms might be completely different. A lot of trust was broken. A lot of people lost a lot of money. And this time around, I see it kind of more relaxed. Now, obviously, the price in itself is pretty important. And one of the reasons why I do see this price is, of course, the rate of adoption. And, not just because of big announcements, but these announcements and where they do push for adoption, such as from Fidelity, from Facebook, anyone else, right? It is a sign of adoption, and adoption equals growth. And that's why I am very confident on the next 6 to 12 months, even 18 months. So we are looking at a longer term horizon for investments into crypto. But obviously right now is a very positive sentiment. There is always volatility in the market. So don't expect the price to keep going up. There will be swings, there will be corrections, but generally we're obviously in a much better state than we were a year ago, because the $9,300 high was the highest that Bitcoin's been since around May 2018. So obviously we are gradually going back up in terms of prices, and apart from that, the sentiment is high. And when the sentiment is high, obviously people are willing to put more into investments, whether that's stocks and bonds, whether that's cryptocurrencies. So for me right now, the 10K mark is crucial. Once we're past the 10K mark, that's when we can start thinking about, okay, this might be where a new pool of money is going to flow into the crypto economy. Right now, as we said, the market cap is 285 billion. This might obviously change, so we might be looking at 500 billion or 700 billion, even a trillion, guys, by let's say end of 2020. So guys, do keep your eye out on important news, adoption, regulation, anything that you believe can either push or break the Bitcoin price is important for all of us. We have to understand the signs, we have to take advantage of the signs, and obviously invest at right times. And even if, guys, you do buy in at the wrong price, you're only making a loss if you sell. So if you are patient, even despite bad decisions, do hold on to it. And always remember that do not invest more than you're willing to lose with the crypto market. Although we're in a very good position right now, you can't foresee what happens in 6 months or 12 months or even, tomorrow. So make sure to be patient, make sure to understand what's happening in the market, and make sure to set targets and stick to those, guys. As always, guys, thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure. If you guys have any questions right now, guys, drop me a message. I'm more than happy to help you guys with any questions you have. That's why I'm here. Hit that like button, leave a comment as well. Last but not least, guys, stay safe, stay smart, stay humble, and take care.
Asni.